Hey everybody, Dr. Sean Casey here with Healthcare Complete Back and Neck Pain Center, answering some of your questions. One of the things that popped up was ergonomics at work, and what do we do to stay healthy at work? Because let's face it, a lot of folks spend their entire day like this in front of the computer, which is definitely difficult. It can create a lot of back and neck problems, or we're on the phone texting all day, head down. So one of the first things we talk about is a program we used to do called Stay Fit While You Sit. So when you're at the office, one of the things I do recommend for patients is obviously a good chair. And most chairs might work well, some do not. So in a lot of cases, it might be better if you notice me sitting here, pretty good sized gap between my back and the back of this chair. So one of the first things I would do would say, get a good low back support pillow that's going to sit in the small of the back to increase your lumbar curvature and actually do the postural work for you. It's going to help hold you upright. And when you're in this position, we'll make sure our keyboard is arm level. So we're not up here, we're not down here. That way we keep the wrists in good shape. Monitor wise, actually we should raise our monitor up. So we're looking up and at it while we work at it. I know it sounds a little funny, but by doing this, it's one of the easiest exercises you can do to actually increase the strength of those postural support muscles and prevent this constant re-injury. They'll tell patients you can do a great job with stretches and exercises, but if you spend 8 hours a day like this and 10 minutes doing stretches, we kind of know who wins. So by using those little ergonomic changes, that can make a big difference. Now, I have a lot of patients too that run into the issue of going nonstop between work and family life, taking the kids to sports, and other things, is to say, boy, I really just don't have the time to stretch. So one of the tools we use with patients is stretching throughout the day. And you can actually, just from a desk position, use your desk chair. I'm gonna spin around this way to give you an idea. So a couple easy things we can do. Stretching the head and neck, just relaxing your head, letting it fall to the side, and reaching over the top of your head, doing a slow pull to the point where you feel a good stretch but no pain. Hold that for about a 3 count, and then we'll go the equal and opposite way. We can do the same thing with a little bit of rotation, side to side, and even a more advanced one that'll really work those neck or back muscles is rotating your head about 45 degrees, reaching to the back of the head, and stretching down to the side. We can even rotate, so I really feel it engage those muscles. Now, as with any stretch, pain is not the goal. It should be a slow, controlled stretch to the point where you feel a good stretch but no pain, and just hold that for a few seconds and relax it. For the low back, we can even stay sitting for that as well by using our desk chair. You've probably seen a lot of folks grab the back of their chair and do that rotational stretch, which is great. But once again, no jerking, just kind of a slow stretch till you feel a good pull, hold for a few seconds, then go the equal opposite way. Another good one too is grabbing the side of your chair while you're staying upright, doing a lateral flexion stretch to the side, and of course the opposite side. We can also sit back a little bit, grab one corner, do kind of a rotational stretch and a rotational stretch. If you're on hold, if you're waiting for someone to respond to an email, just takes a minute or two to get some of these stretches in. But increasing that flexibility, range of motion when you're stuck sitting all day can be a huge boon. Now, obviously, everyone's heard of stand-up desks. People have used Swiss balls to sit on, so anything where you can change that posture throughout the day so you're not stuck in one position is a huge help. So anything, even if it's small, can make a big difference and keep you healthier. Well, I hope this helps. Have a great day. If you have any questions, send them our way. Take care.